Okay, 414. And while I wasn't sold on this color before, I sure am glad they gave me this upgrade. Because that car didn't have the room. Look at this. 3 comforters. And over here, the seat for the boat. Pillows, tools up front. More to come tomorrow. Back here, we got throw pillows, sheets, bedding, pots, pans. Over here we got more towels, more tools, saws, drills, towels, more pillows back in here, glasses. Everything you need to start a charter business. And here's the other side. And over here, we have a nice scent because future sailors. And here we go, guys. It all fit. And we got a nice festive color to drive down to Key West. This thing actually fits, to tell you the truth. Let's see. This car. It just wasn't going to happen in that full size. This is the trunk I needed. This thing, believe it or not, is going all the way up in there. So you've got all the bedding and everything you need up underneath the back seat. But only a few more tools to take. In the morning, we're out of here.